Itong DJI drone na to. I've been wanting this video to happen for the longest time. So I think Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. So for today's video, hindi pala. So before anything else, I would like to thank iDash for making my t-shirts. So from this video and to moving forward and for the next video din as well, ito na yung gagamitin kong parang magiging staple t-shirt ko. So parang ito na yung lagi kong t-shirt. So nagpagawa ako sa kanila a couple of shirts. So yung ibang design, yung ibang colors pala is parating pa lang. This is from iDash. You can check their Facebook page. I'll leave the link on the description box. For today's video and for this unboxing video, itong DJI drone na to, I've been wanting this video to happen for the longest time. So I think mga 8 months ata. Ito yung naging inspiration ko talaga kung bakit ako nag-start mag-vlog. Kasi nga, mahilig ako mag-travel. So aside from mahilig ako mag-travel, mahilig din ako sa gadgets. So yun yung mga unboxing ko. So most of my unboxing or my video is unboxing tech, and then others are lifestyle. So ayun, so let's start kasi ako medyo nanginginig na ako para lang mabuksan talaga to eh. I got this Dji Mini at Tech Pro Unlimited at Soledad Reno Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna. You can check their Facebook page. I'll leave the link on the description box. You can check their wide ranges of gadgets. Yung mga newest gadgets in the market, meron sila. So, check their Facebook page. Feeling ko makikita nyo yung mga gusto nyong gadgets doon. So yun, let's start the unboxing. Hindi ko tinong ko. Ako nag-translate sa video pero nanginginig talaga ako. Kasi nga, yun na nga, matagal ko nang gusto ko. Sobrang matagal ko. Yung mga ipon ko, dito na punta. So yun, sorry nagkalat na. So what's in the box? I have a bag. Ito yung laman ng lahat ng DJI Mini to Fly More combo. Ito. So, wala na siyang laman sa loob. Yun. At least may bag. And then, when I got this at Tech Pro Unlimited, I have a free SanDisk 32 GB for this drone. So, mamaya ko na siya titignan. So, alam ko naman na itsura nitong bag. So, hindi ko na tatanggalin yung ibang Hindi ko na tatanggalin yung ibang nakalagay na tag. So you have your DJI logo here. Here. Yeah. And then you have pocket outside. So you can, saba ito. Pwede kang maglagay ng anything, accessories or whatnot. Yeah. So ganito. So, labas ko muna lahat and then let's see sa isa. So this is your controller. So for those of you who are already familiar with DJI, this controller, ito ang first controller nila na nilabas sa DJI Mavic Air 2. So, feeling ko sa mga susunod na mga drone, ito yung magiging controller talaga. Kasi yung unang controller ng DJI Mini is kulay black, tapos medyo wala. So I have this documentation. So ayoko nang buksan kasi makikita naman natin na code niya is for ayan. Meron siyang documentation. So nanghihinayang ako siyang buksan. So pero ito documentation. So documentation siya. I have an accessory box. Yan, nakalagay din siya. Accessory box. So what's inside the accessory box are cables. So you have a micro USB cable and USB Type-C cable for any phone or any Android phone. So yun. Yung nakalagay dun sa pinakadulo sa controller is USB Type-C. So sa kabila, medyo iba na. So I have your micro USB and USB Type-C. You have your charger brick. charging brick, charging case. So with your charging case, labas na lang natin. Power cable or ano ba to? Charging cable. Yeah, this is your charging cable dun sa charging case. So this is a USB Type-C. Wala na. Pinakahuli na yung drone, siyempre. So here I have a couple of accessories. So I have screwdriver for your propeller. Ano ba? 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs of extra propellers. So yeah. And then I have extra controller stick. And then for the main event, yes! Yan. So this is your, nanginginig ko. This is your Dji Mini 2. For some reason, tinanggal talaga nila yung Mavic sa pangalan. Like what they did sa Osmo Pocket. Tinanggal nila yung Osmo sa Pocket 2. So, it's not called Pocket 2. Ito, Dji Mini. Hindi ko alam kung sort of rebranding or something. Hindi ko alam kung anong issue nila dun sa yeah, let's see. These are your accessories. Yeah. So, unahin natin is your controller. So, as much as gusto ko siyang ingatan yung plastic, I can't kasi sobrang ipit or sobrang dikit ng sticker. Sayang lang. Yan. So, for this controller, I think ito yung antenna niya. Yan. Ito yung antenna niya, and this is where your phones will be mounted. Yeah. So, medyo ano siya, extendable, parang adjustable. So, nandito yung regular, yung pinaka nakalagay na nilang phone connector. So, I think this is a lightning connector. So, ito talaga yung basic nila, or ito yung talaga yung nakalagay dito. Yan. So, you have your trigger button for your camera and recording, and then di ba yung kanina, this is your extra joystick, extra joystick, yeah. Pero ito yung joystick talaga na nakalagay dun sa controller. So kukunin nyo lang siya. Kunin lang. And then, yeah. So yung iba, napapansin ko daw, since maliit nga siya, may mga napapanood akong video na nawawala daw siya. So yun na, para madali siyang i-maneuver, parang gano'n. Yun. Yan. So I have your power button, you have your return to home, and you have your 3 modes. Your Cine, or this is the DJI Cine Lite, your normal, and your sport mode. So your sport mode, ito yung mga kunyari gusto nyo in action na medyo mabilis yung drone nyo to follow something or to capture something, sports mode yon. For normal, basically for normal mode, so medyo mabagal, hindi siya ganun kabagal, hindi siya ganun kabilis. And then for your Cine or your Cine Lite, this mode or this function is for your cinematic video or capturing cinematic footages. So, yun yung gagawin mo. So, ano siya? Sobrang bagal kasi mas maganda yung effect niya dun sa drone. So, next is your... Hindi pala your. So, next is my charging brick. So, for this charging brick... Ay, hindi pala. Charging case pala. Yan. I have 2 extra batteries. Yan. 2 extra batteries. So, ito talaga yung hinahabol for DJI Fly More combo. Or any drone na may Fly More combo. Kasi, may 2 extra batteries ka. If you purchase a separate battery, it will cost you a lot. So, parang lalagpas ka sa Sorry. So, lalagpas ka dun sa base price ng timer. So, I have two battery. Ito. So, I don't think may charge to. So, kami ako na siya titingnan. And this charging case will also serve as a power bank. So whenever your battery depleted, your controller battery depleted, so pwede mo siyang gamitin, or your phone. So you have your output, ito yung USB Type A, and then you have your USB Type C for in. So dito kayo magcha-charge, and then your power button. So let's see dito sa power button kung makikita siya. So unfortunately wala siyang ilaw. So ibig sabihin walang charge yung battery. Yun. So, this is your charging brick. Ito na talaga totoo. Ito yung charging brick. So, your screwdriver, kanina, sabi ko nga, ginagamit to para palitan yung propellers. So, ito din, if nakikita nyo, yung yellow, yung orange accent niya, yan, orange accent niya sa propellers, yan yung pinagkaiba, yun yung pinagkaiba nila with your DJI Mavic Mini 1. So, yun lang. So, ang sabi nila, I've read some review and then I've watched videos na hindi hindi sila interchangeable with your Mavic Mini 1 unless matapang kayo para pagpalitin yung propellers nila. So, this DJI Mini 2 comes with a parang propeller guard. Ano ba? Opo. Propeller guard or propeller guard. So this is your propeller guard. So dati, alam ko binibili to separately. So napakabait mo naman DJI para bigyan kami ng propeller guard na nakalagay dito na mismo sa timer combo. Yeah. So this is the drone. Natatakot ako baka bigla mabagsak. Maliit siya. Actually, maliit siya. So, if this is your charging brick, diba? Charging case. Charging brick. Side by side, ha? Ayan. Magkasinlaki lang sila. Ayun. So, actually, alam mo, malaki pa tong remote control na to kaysa dito. Malaki pa to. So, first daw is to unfold yung front arm. When you unfolding this drone, muna yung front arm. Front. And then the back arm. Yeah. So, this is the actual size of your DJI drone. DJI Mini. So, since dalawa yung kasama natin na battery dun sa una, eto yung isa na nakakabit lang. So, I'll just remove the sticker. Tapos, pwede nyo i-charge yung battery nyo na nasa loob ng drone using your charger dito. Kasi meron siyang USB Type-C dito sa likod. And then, you have your micro SD port. Or slot. Sorry. Micro SD slot dito sa likod. Yan. So, ito din yung door ng battery. So, ito. Yan. So, ito. So, I think this one may charge to. So, let's see. Yun. So, pag may maririnig ka namang clip kapag nilalagay yung battery. For other DJI drones, ito, sensor lang ang meron dito. For other DJI drones, meron sa likod, meron sa taas, meron din sa gilid, and meron din sa harapan. Unfortunately with this drone, wala siyang ibang sensors kung dito na sa ilalim. So, because of its size, hindi nila pwedeng lagyan. So, next is your gimbal. So, for this gimbal, it is advertised na mag-shoot ng 4K. For this small drone na kaya mag-shoot ng 4K, parang lang to eh. Parang, parang your Osmo Pocket. Ganong kaliit pero 4K. Like what I'm using to shoot this video. tinanggal ko na siya. Ano ba? Pretty much yun yung mga nakalagay din sa sa loob ng box, since this is a unboxing video. Yun lang yung gagawin ko. So for my review and my first flight accessories I bought with this Dji Mini sa mga follow-up videos ko na yun. So mas madalas nyo nang makita yung mga footage or yung mga clips ko from my travel na eto yung gamit ko. So yun lang. So sobrang excited ako gamitin itong drone na to kasi matagal ko na talagang gusto to. So much for this unboxing video of the Dji Mini 2. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please follow me on my Instagram account. It's HekiHex. My Facebook page is Hex Orbeta. Yun lang. Stay safe. God bless and thank you. Hex.